If I can get it open, there we go. You notice right off the bat, it comes with this little documentation here, Fisher Space Pen. And it talks about the different colors and bold, fine, medium. It talks about placing your space pen refill here. And it gives the anatomy of the actual pen itself. And then it gives a brief history right here of the information about this. And then you can also order right here. You can order these using this mail contact information. Now let's flip it over here, and what do we have here? It has the inventor and his autograph there, and then it also has, you see, just an idea of the history behind it and the story behind why this pen was made and what it is to the United States and the NASA program. All right, and if you see here, www.spacepen.com, and it gives an address right here, Boulder City, Nevada. You can reach out to them and maybe look for different models, but that's for you to do. And if you look right here, Fisher Space Pen. So let's pull it out right now. Right off the bat, I'm getting fingerprints on it. So it automatically tells me this is a fingerprint magnet. So if you're one of those people that don't like fingerprints, then this is definitely not for you. If you look here, this is the traditional AG7 Fisher. This is the traditional one as far as I understand it. And this is the most sought after one as far as being the most normal out of all of them. And I really do like this. And look at the knurling here. It's really easy to grip. You can write left-handed, you can write right-handed. And honestly, I think that is such a wonderful design. And it does have a clip here. Now this clip, it doesn't have much spring, but you can put it wherever you need to, in the pocket or pocket in your pants or whatever, and then it will definitely stay. It'll keep there, but you notice it's relatively stiff, which is fine. That's okay. And if you look here, it clicks. Now, this pen is different than the other pen that I had. The other pen, you just push it like this and it goes in and out as far as the ballpoint pen cartridge. Now, on this pen, you have to push the side right here. This button right here activates and it retracts the ballpoint cartridge back into the body of the pen. So let's do that again just for you guys so you can see it. Push down, and then if you push right here on the side right here, you notice it's out. And then you push right here and it retracts back into where it goes into. Now, let's pull this apart here. It pulls out relatively easy. Doesn't have anything that falls out of it, so that's really nice. If you ever have to take the cartridge out, you don't have to worry about any kind of parts falling out of here that you may be able to lose, because some pens, they have little springs and little things that could just fall right out of them, and it could be an issue as far as trying to put it back where it belongs when you're trying to reassemble the pen. If you notice right here, it comes with black, medium, PR4, Fisher Space Pen. It gives the address and what it is. And if you notice here, same concept, goes in and then it goes out. So there's nothing that's going to fall out of here, and it makes it relatively easy to replace. Now, this right here is a cartridge, if you notice. And as I mentioned before, in the back of this here, there are different colors. There's different points, I should say. There's medium, fine, bold, so on and so forth, and it tells you which one belongs to what. So please do keep that in mind with this. You do have a kind of a variety here, and that's really nice as far as if you're trying to do different colors for whatever your purposes are. Now, for reassembly, all you do is just take this, put it inside, and you notice it's spring loaded, and then push this right here into the hole, and then screw it back together, and there you go. The pen is back up and operational. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the review of the Cap-O-Matic as the video of this. Thank you guys for visiting the Fellow Gent, and for daily content, please follow my Instagram, and if you want to contact me, that's the easy way to do it. It'll be linked down in the description. If I haven't earned your subscription yet, hopefully today's the day that I do so, and check out the Cap-O-Matic. It's similar but different to this pen. Thank you guys, and y'all have a wonderful day.